Good morning! It's Saturday. I will be filming videos today, guys. Sit down videos. I'm so excited. I got a few packages. I got a package from Althea, Korea. I'm so excited. I got 3 boxes, small, medium, and large. And I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I will film the haul. And I'm planning to film. I actually filmed my skincare routine kanina, my morning skincare routine. And mamayang gabi, i-film ko din yung nighttime skincare routine ko. But that's gonna be one video. And si Dan wala kasi he needs to pick up his brother and his family kasi balik na sila galing Amerika. And also, I will put on false eyelashes because look at my eyelashes. Like, hindi na sila ganun kaganda, guys. Okay lang naman, pero hindi na sila ganun kaganda. So, I will try and put some false eyelashes on. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know na I suck at this. I really do. Pero itatry ko siya. Gagamitin ko ito, oh. Eyelure. Ang ganda niya kasi. Kaya lang, tinry ko siya noon. Ganyan yung itsura niya. O, diba ang ganda? Gusto ko siya ilagay today and see if it works. I hope it works. I really do. Okay. Anyway, tatapusin ko lang yung makeup ko and then I'll film. I'm excited. Sobrang tagal na ako hindi naka-film ng sit-down video. The last time was last week, but I was with Dan. I haven't really filmed the haul. Hay, naku guys, yung haul. Gustong-gusto. Yan yung paborito kong i-film, yung mga hauls. And yeah, I'm gonna film the Althea Korea haul. And I also have some stuff there na I wanted to film. But we will go shopping today. So maybe mag-add ako ng mga gamit doon na i-haul ko. So I will wait. And yeah, I'll go do my makeup. Are you gonna have some? Okay. I finished my makeup. Look at my eyelashes, guys. Oh, I'm so in love. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ito yung Eyelure Texture 117. I will feature this on my favorites video. Ngayon ko lang siya nagamit, pero I'm really liking it. Look at that. I like that. Si Dan, binilhan niya ako ng donuts. Di naman siya talagang donut. Yeah, donut na walang hole sa gitna. Kakarating lang niya. In maybe 2 hours, we will go to Harbor Town. I hope makafilm ako ng 2 videos before kami. Yeah, I should be able to film 2 videos. Anyway, I will go fix this hair and then put lipstick on and I'll film. I just finished filming. My gosh, na-miss ko yun. Na-miss ko umupo dun, guys. And mag-film. I filmed 2 videos. I filmed the Althea Korea haul. Meron yung giveaway. So, if you haven't checked it yet, please check the video kasi meron siyang giveaway. And I'm so excited kasi first time ko na magpag-giveaway. Babe, yung ano ko?
Sorry?
Oh, I did a giveaway.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing? Di niya ako narinig. Nag-headset na naman. Ooh, that looks good, babe. Tignan niyo tong lalaking to. Char! That looks really good. I don't want any though, but that looks really good. Busog pa ako sa binigay niya sa akin kanina na donut at saka nag-coffee din ako. So, yeah. Hala, babe, vitamin C. Sobrang ganda talaga ng eyelashes. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung eyelashes. Hala, tatanggal ka ba? No, hindi siya matatanggal. Dikit na dikit kasi yung glue na ginamit ko. Oh my gosh, guys. Na-feature ko siya sa favorites ko. So, you have to watch that kung gusto niyo malaman. Bakit ang puti tingnan ng mukha ko dito? Well, anyway, mas puti naman talaga yung mukha ko kasi sa neck ko. Pero it's extra puti ito na eh. Why? I'm using the same foundation. Hindi naman ako nag-tan. I'll just wear my leather jacket kasi malamig. Are you ready, babe? After you eat? Hindi niya ako naririnig. Port is doing really good. So the score is... What is the score, babe? 149 and then 60 yung kalaban. And there's 5 minutes left. So sure na napanalo sila. Nagpalit ako ng top kasi I filmed another video kanina pagdating namin. Hindi ako naka-vlog sa Harbor Town kasi nagmamadali kami dahil dito sa Anyway, naka-film ako ng 3 videos today. 3 sit-down videos. I'm so happy. Na-miss ko mag-film ng sit-down video. Kapag weekends kasi sobrang dami din namin ganap. Like, lumalabas kami lagi on weekends. Ngayon lang na lumabas si Dan, siya lang mag-isa, pinick up niya yung kuya niya, tapos meron akong time na ako lang dito, so I filmed, and kanina din, he watched footy, hanggang ngayon, he watched footy, so nakapag-film din ako. I actually just finished editing my vlog, yung I am driving his car na vlog, And gustong-gusto ko tong top na to. Meron siyang pineapple dito. Ano siya, parang, ano siya, crop. And yung eyelashes nandito pa rin, guys. Yung glue ng Nichido, ang ganda-ganda, ang galing-galing. And siguro mag-eyelashes na ako. So, yun, magpa-false eyelashes na ako araw-araw hanggang sa mag-fall off lahat ng individual lashes na nakadikit sa ano. Kasi, it's slowly falling off. Pero meron pa rin natira, and tsaka siya tingnan kasi kalbo yung iba, tapos bigla nilang may mahaba doon, you know? So, yeah, hanggang sa matanggal siya lahat, mag-ano lang ako, mag-false eyelashes. Maganda din naman siya, oh, ang ganda niya tingnan. Basta natural looking lang, okay lang naman. Basta hindi yung same na length na eyelashes na sobrang haba. And also tonight we will watch I Can't Help Falling in Love. Ata yung title na yun. Basta something with falling in love. Ni Kathniel. I didn't even know na meron silang movie. I think Mia told me na meron silang movie. Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako nanonood ng TV talaga. So, yun. Tapos hindi din ako updated sa mga news sa Pilipinas. And kala ko wala silang movie. Tapos meron silang teleserye, diba? Yung parang, meron silang teleserye, nakalimutan ko. Parang oso? Something like that. Kung naaalala ko siya ng maayos. Pero, yeah, excited na ako na panoorin yung movie. Hindi ko alam yung trailer. I should watch a trailer right now. Okay, tingnan natin yung trailer. I will watch a trailer. I Can't Help Falling in Love is the title, babe. Do you remember? Showing siya sa Hoyts dito sa, sa amin, Hoyts na, na sinihan. So, papanoorin ko yung trailer. Can't Help Falling in Love with You. Merong kanta si Daniel, babe. Ito, official trailer. 1.1 million views. It was uploaded a month ago. Pwede ko kaya insert dito yung trailer? Tapos mag-react ako. My God, not reacting to. Baby got married. Baby, you will like this. I think so.
I think so.
They're married. I feel like I'm 12. I'm gonna cry. Babe, we need to watch it tonight. We will watch it. What time is the movie, babe? 9:30? It's only 6:30.
Have a mini nap or anything? Give you a
Mini nap? No, I don't need a nap. I can go right now. Babe, it's so good. They're married. Hindi ko alam ngayon kung nakita yung trailer na yan. Nakakaloka naman yun. Are we having dinner before the movie or?
Yeah, we'll just get takeaways somewhere.
Yeah, let's go.
When? Now?
No, after this. Is it over
It's
yet?
over.
Oh, it's over. Panalo ang port. Yeah, go po. If you want to take a nap, what are you writing? What are you writing?
Something I'm going to call on Monday.
Oh, okay.
My girlfriend.
Sige na, babe?
What's that?
What time are we eating?
I don't know.
What time do you want to eat? Are you hungry yet?
No. Get food on the way to the movies.
Sige.
I'm going to lay down for a bit.
Kakain kami sa pub. So, yung movie, cinema, nandun lang. Tapos, kakain kami dito sa pub. What's the name of the pub, babe?
Public Plaza. No, Plaza Hotel.
Plaza Hotel? Okay. Dito kami, guys. Here. There.
Here we go.
Thank you. Yung movie magsisimula 9:20 and it's still 8:21 right now. So we're good. I'll get garlic prawns. Kasi sure ako meron yung rice. What are you getting? They have salt and pepper squid. Do you want some pork, babe? Spare ribs. That looks
Where's
good.
spare ribs?
There. Marinated in pepper. That's good then.
Yeah, okay.
Plum. Yeah. Sige, get it? Spare ribs? No? What are you thinking? Filet mignon.
What's that? I was looking at the
turkey bacon, babe. I want lemon bitters. I'm wearing this, what do you call that? Denim oversized jacket. Kasi malamig. But now I feel hot, so I'm gonna take it off and show off my pineapple. Do you want me to order drinks? Are we ordering there? Or are they gonna come here? Okay, guys. We got our food. Sedan chicken burger, akin pork ribs. Ito. Yum. Can we show them? Ang laki. Yes. And then lemon bitters for our drink actually. Kain muna ako. Panic mode ako guys kasi bukas pala close yung The Griffin's Hotel. Nag-announce na ako diba na dun yung salo-salo. And someone messaged me on Instagram. Sabi niya, close po bukas yung The Griffin's. Gusto niya daw pumunta tapos close. So na hindi namin alam kung saan. So are we final? Stag?
How's the food,
Hotel?
guys?
It's really
Yeah, all
good.
good, mate. Cheers,
Thank you. Stag Hotel, babe?
Yeah.
We're going up. Ito yung social na cinema. Medyo busy today. Alam ko maraming Pilipino ngayon kasi Kathniel. We got popcorn. The biggest popcorn. Mas malaki pa sa ulo ko yung popcorn. Parang si Dan lang ata yung Australian dito. I think you're the only Australian here. Yeah? Excuse you. Dito kami sa Hoyts. I'm with Marjorie. She's shy. Just say hi. What's your name again?
Marjorie.
Renz. Hi, Renz. Hi. Parang tayo lang yun nandito, Filipino party. I have it in my bag. Kami na lang yung tao dito. Ang ganda ng stair dyan, Pauwi na kami. Oh, so the mall is closed and then just the cinema is open. And then I think that's the last movie, wasn't it?
Yeah.
No, I think there's more. Do they have later ones? We're home! Ang ganda ng movie, guys. Sobra. Naiyak ako. Lagi naman ako naiiyak eh. Pero ang ganda ng movie. Ang daming Pilipino doon. Of course, parang si Dan lang ata yung Australian doon. Ang bait na Dan kasi sinasamahan niya ako kahit mga ganun na alam niya naman na hindi niya maintindihan fully. Pero sumama siya. Sabi niya, the movie is really not that bad. Pero, especially, diba, Pinoy. I mean, Filipino. So, expect ko na mabobore sa Dan. And, yeah. Kasi ang hirap din naman magbasa ng, subtitle, the whole movie. Yun lang yung ginawa niya. Kawawa naman sa Dan. Pero sabi niya, hindi daw masama. Okay na okay daw yung movie. So, pero ako, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. I loved it. Sobrang, naaano talaga ako kapag si Daniel, yung parang may diferensya. Hindi naman sa may diferensya. Pero like, you know, dun sa movie, meron siyang sakit. Gaya nung Got to Believe na meron siyang sakit. Diba? Na meron siyang bala sa utak. Sa ulo. Utak talaga. Pero yun. Anyway, it's, wow babe, the lighting here is so good. Kailangan ko i-film yung skincare routine ko. Yung pang nighttime skincare routine. Kasi sinimulan ko siya kaninang umaga eh. So I need to film it. Gagamitin ko yung tripod. Itong tripod na to guys, si Roslyn. Babe, you know what? Roslyn sent this to our address.
Did she?
So this is from Roslyn. That's why like I don't remember ordering this.
Okay.
Don't remember getting it. It's because she sent it to us. Thank you, Mayora. Kahit na nasa Pilipinas na siya, guys, pinadalhan niya ako ng ganito. And then the other one, she sent me two, right? The other one is for Mia, and then this one is for me.
I'll bring it tomorrow.
Yeah, I will. Please remind me, babe. I always forget stuff like this.
Please.
So, thank you, Mayora. Salamat. Anyway, if-film ko lang to, guys. And then, hala, tatanggalin ko yung false eyelashes ko. And then, bukas, gagamitin ko na naman siya. So, good luck sa akin bukas. Bukas na yung salo-salo namin. And sobrang naano pa ako kanina kasi na iniba namin kanina lang yung venue. Kasi yung isang venue na pinili na Dan, si Dan actually napili nung isa. Sabi niya, doon na lang tayo kasi mas madali daw para sa mga tao kasi hindi siya malayo sa, like, kapag you take a bus, hindi siya malayo. So, okay na okay siya, convenient daw siya. Kaya yun yung pinili namin. Tapos, hindi pala sila nag-ooperate on Sunday. So, nag-panic mode ako kanina kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Like, paano kapag pumunta yung mga tao dun bukas? Mga tao, feeling ko naman ang dami-daming darating. But, you know, merong few people will come. Meron nang nag-message sa akin na hindi sila makakapunta kasi merong trabaho yung iba. Tapos, yung isa may sakit. Tapos, yung iba hindi lang talaga pwede, Sunday. So, yun. Anyway, I will go close this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be good. Good night. Bye. Good night, bag.